For today's smoothie recipe, I'm going to be making a Snickers inspired thick shake. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way peanut butter protein powder, the vegan one. However, you could use chocolate as well. I've got some Happy Way cacao powder, some peanut butter, medjool dates, frozen banana. I'm going to be using almond milk, however any plant-based milk will do, and a handful of ice. So what I'm going to do is simply add everything into a high-speed blender, blend until nice and smooth and thick, and then top with some drizzled chocolate and crushed peanuts.